Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 smartphone, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can find your mobile phone number on this device. First of all, you want to launch the settings. In here enter the SIM cards and mobile networks category, and as you can see right here it will display the current phone number of any or every of the SIM card installed and inserted. In my case, as you can see, the phone number as per the SIM card number 1 is saved into the memory, so it is displayed right here. But unfortunately, when it comes to the SIM card number 2, inside the memory of the SIM card, its phone number is not saved. Therefore, it is not visible right here, and it basically does not show it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.